First I was afraid, then I was petrified, thinking I could never make clothes in anybody's size, but I knew I will survive. Und I did. Yes, my parents, they threw me out of the house, and I must say in the beginning I literally had no needle to scratch my back. So what did I do then? I started to frequent losers of needles so that he could frequently scratch my back at the weekend. You see? But of course, I did not where to find originality. So with no money, no shows, no sales, I ended up under a bridge. Luckily for me, I had my own private cardboard box and a little, very little tiny small radio. I had no shows, no soap, no perfume. I ended up really alone, but I must assure you, sir, I persevered in my will to be a great designer. How do you know that? Yes, blue was the period I lived in. Blue was the color I lived from. But then, suddenly, one day I went to a cafe and there on the ceiling I saw neon lights, stripe by stripe by stripe. And that's there I got the idea to combine my blue period with white stripes. So I had the idea and I said, why not take a t-shirt and mix the color white, blue, white, blue, white, blue. I had one problem with that moment, to take first of all a blue t-shirt and make white stripes on it, or take a white t-shirt and make blue stripes on it. But that was a question I solved easily. So from now on you see all the famous t-shirts for the sailors, the white and the blue striped t-shirts. At that moment also I thought about making a t-shirt for pyjamas for boys, but finally I could not concentrate on that. So I skipped that idea. That cafe is Café Marcel at the Place Saint-Jean in the port of Amsterdam. You know, where all the sailors meet. And there I was in that Café Marcel where I met a sailor who wore a dirty khaki green t-shirt. I went to him, I ripped off his t-shirt and I put him on my t-shirt with the white and blue stripes, or with the blue and white stripe, whatever you want. And he said, thank you very much, dear sir, dear Jean-Paul. I look now very, very beautiful in it. We had a few drinks, he left back on his boat. After a month or two, he came back with an order of 2,342 t-shirts, because that's all the amount of sailors who are on his boat. So I started to fabric all those t-shirts, and that is the moment when the game was on the wagon. Now everybody wants my t-shirt as well, women as men. Of course, I worked with a lot of famous stars. As you know, I worked with Madonna, I worked with James Bond. Then I also worked for Gaston Lagaffe. And then, as I do remember, I had a very, very big order for Asterix and Obelix. But between you and me, Obelix, he was a very, very difficult person. As you know, my t-shirts, sir, my t-shirts are with horizontal stripes, and what did Mr. Obelix want? He wanted a trouser, a pantalon with vertical stripes. First we had a little discussion, a little argue about the motif on his trouser, but finally you know how strong Mr. Obelix is, so I made him a trouser with vertical stripes. And afterwards, I must say, it suits him well. You see, he makes him a little bit slimmer, a little bit thinner, but don't say to him that he's a very big person, because with his trouser he is very beautiful now. And let's say that to him also. But as when you know if I have any favorite actor, I must think a little bit in my head. Yes, I do have one, and that it is a very unknown but famous in his own jardin actor from Belgium. He is a very good player, if I may say so, and I call him always Charlie, but he prefers Charlie. But you should see him play. One day when you see him on stage, go and have a peep and look at him. What is worse? Bonne question, what is worse? Not to reach the ground, not to touch the sky, not to laugh, not to cry, not to die. Blue turning grey, me turning you, stripes turning dots. What is worse? I do not know. What is worse? Tell me. Are you? Of course, I am. Why should I not be? Are you? You're very welcome, but please, Charlie, call me GP. And between us, listen carefully, I will say this only once. Tonight, at midnight, we meet in my room at my hotel. You bring the champagne, and I will take care of your rest.